Hello guys, welcome to J Fashion Academy. And for this video, this tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to cut a straight skirt. So another name for straight skirt is pencil skirt. You can call it straight skirt or pencil skirt. So for this tutorial, what I'll be needing is a chalk. So this is the chalk, scissors, tape, measuring tape, and your ruler. So this one is serving as a ruler. So first, I will be writing the measurement here that I will be using for the skirt. So the waist measurement that I will be using is 32 inches. The hip measurement is 39 inches. Then the full length of the skirt, that's from the hips, sorry, that's from the waist down to the full length of the skirt is 36. So now, in order to get your 32, your waist measurement, your hip measurement, and your length, full length measurement. So first, you are going to pick the waist measurement. You divide it by 4. This is your 32. You divide your tape by 4. This is 2. And this is 4. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 32. So if you divide it by 32, it's going to give you 8 inches. 8 inches. So here the answer is 8 inches. Here you are going to divide your 39. 39 divided by 4. This is for 39. You will take like this. 39 like this. This is divided by 2. So you can see. Then we come here like this. That's divided by 4. So 39 divided by 4 is 9 3/4. This is 9 1/4, 9 1/2, 9 3/4, and 10 inches. So 39 divided by 4 is 9 3/4. So here this one is 9 3/4. I can put 9.3. So here, just you add 1 inch for the sewing allowance. That's for the length of the skirt. So before that, before we insert the measurement, first I'll show you how I fold my material. You see, this is one wrapper. You can see this is one wrapper. So I folded it like this into 4 pieces. So while folding it into 4 pieces, I'm going to cut the front and the back piece together. The front and the back piece together. So these 2 pieces like this is for the back, and these 2 is for the front. So you can see there's no any side of separation here. This is the front, and you see this one, that's a separation, that's the back. So this folding is for zipper allowance. Zipper allowance. So for the standard measurement for zip allowance is 2 inches. 2 inches. Let's check it. You see this one is not up to 2 inches, but it's okay. It's not up to 2 inches, but it's okay. So this is for the back. This is for the front. And coming to here, coming to this side, you see, I folded this part because I want the down part to look good and smooth. So in order to fold this one, it's helping the landing to reduce how the skirt uses the landing. So I folded it like this. It must not be up to 7 inches. Anyhow you wish to fold the down part, but I just maintain 7 inches. 7 inches, that's the down part. So now, after that, I'll take my full length, that's 36. You see, This is your 36, 37, 38. So all in all is 38. So why I added the inches to be much like that, I want it to be accurate. I don't want you to make mistake. So let me put it at the 36, exact 36. This is the 36. 36. So now I'll mark the 36. This is your 36. The same thing here. I'll mark the 36. You see? This is your 36. Mark the 36. Then I'll use my ruler and draw a straight line. Mind you, we are adding 1 inches. So I'm going to add the 1 inches. That's for the sewing allowance. 1 inches, 1 inches. So we are going to draw it also a line here. Going to draw a line. So now this is your full length. This is your full length. This is the 1 inch for the sewing allowance. So now, in order to get your hip measurement, your standard hip measurement, is you're going to, from your waist to your hips is 10 inches. Depends on how tall the person is. So for this, my client, she's not too tall. So I'll be using 10 and a half. You see, this is 10 and a half. Sorry, this measurement is for that one that we did. This is your 10 and a half. I'll mark my 10 and a half. That's from the waist to the hip. That's 10 and a half. That's locating my hip measurement. So now the waist is 8 inches. This is my waistline. I'll mark my 8 inches. This one here is your hip line. Your hip line. So your hip line say is 9¾ So this is 9¾ You see, I'll mark 9¾ So now this is your 8, your waistline, your 8. So I'm going to be using this exact waistline. And I'm going to put it at the down part. You see, this is my 8. I also come here and put my 8. So gradually, as I'm coming up, I'll be increasing it. Here I will put 9. You see? So now I'm going to connect the line. As you can see, I'm connecting the line. You see? I'm connecting the line. So now this is your measurement for the skirt. The waistline, the hip line, and the full length. So the next thing you'll be doing is you're going to add your 3 inches allowance. You can put 2 inches, but here I will use 2.5 inches allowance. You mark it at the waistline, 2 inches, 2.5 inches allowance. You come to your hip line, you're going to mark 2 inches allowance. Then your full length, the same 2 inches allowance. Then you're going to connect the line. Exactly, you're going to connect the line. Connect the line. So this is the sewing allowance. The allowance that I give. See? The allowance. 2.5. So now, the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to cut the skirt. And I'm going to cut. I'm not going to cut at the waistline. This plus 1 inch that we did. I'm going to cut it. Going to cut it. going to cut it, make sure your hand is straight. Then here, after cutting it like this, you are going to notch here. While I'm notching this place, it's going to guide me on how to fold, how to maintain this line that I did when putting your lining. When putting the line, is going to help me. So after I did like this, I'm going to pick. Now I want to get my dark line. So I'll be putting that on my back piece, not the front piece. So now I'll carry this end here. I'll place it here. You can see place it at the exact measurement, not in the allowance that we give. So if then like I'll notch here, notch it. I'll take it back. So now we are done with the skirt. As you can see, we are done with the skirt.